네가 바란 대로 나는 될 거야 랩스토어 Looking for bills 더 늘어나는 팀 네가 싫어하던 게 늘어나 Living one life better life 또 따라오는 사랑은 나 thanks to the God 한기만은 밭도 넘어지면 다시 일어나서 세상에 충지를 박 왔던 대로 그냥 하던 대로 스타일 사인 좀 까고 그냥 막 가는 거지 이제 말만 하는 워너비들 깔아놓고 수면 위로 하여 위로 올라가지 랩플로우 팀 네가 바라던 팀 아메리 내 보고 할리우 던져리 아무도 못 보는 이유 난 너무 높아 엎지르지 않는 그 위치 리듬 타고 다닐 거라 스위치 Fuck your team now we 이리에 뭐 하기로 이제 세상이 나를 주목해
Welcome back to Mo Dodge, Mo Mods. I had you, boy. You know what it is. You know I wasn't about to let my car go like that. You know, she back. Full in fact. Did some little aesthetics. But I got something you guys got to see, boy. Yes, sir. Check it out. Yes, sir. What does that say right there? Huh? What's that say? Something amazing awaits you. You know what it is. So I'm about to take it out the box, y'all. It came in 2 big old boxes. You know, well packaged, sealed. But I gotta take them out, put them in the car for tomorrow's shoe size fitting. You know what it is. Yep. So here they are, boy. That's them wide bodies. Them wide bodies. I wonder if my cap will fit in here. It should. Oh, no, they didn't. Oh, that's coming off. You know we don't play that. We do not play that. They are replicas, guys, just so you know. Getting rid of these. I wonder if anybody want to buy them. Probably not. But wait till you see them neatos, boy. Neatos, whatever. Wait till you see them bad boys. They can't breathe. Put that on. Pop it off and put it on there. Yeah, it'll work. Stay tuned. There it is, guys. Brand new. Those NT55 G2 315/35/20s. Put the tread on that bad boy. Stance is mean. See it on there. You see how high it is compared to that 305. It'll fit. As you can see, it's gonna be mean. But once the tire goes inside the wheel well, it's gonna just pretty much fill the gap. As you can see, I got that chunk right there. These tires gotta go. Some garbage already. But it will fill this wheel well right here. Spline. Fit right on in there. So yeah, stay tuned, man. Stay tuned. Mo Dodge, Mo Mars. You know what it is. Well, guys, welcome back to Mo Dodge, Mo Mod. So, it's the next day, y'all. You see this mess right here? Look at that. You know what that is. I'm back at my favorite shop, Kenilworth. Used tires, man. Let's make it happen.
All right, so they out here getting the tires and rims out the car. Process should take no more than about maybe, I don't know, 10, 15 minutes. That was the first one here. But there she is, boy. She getting all new shoes and stuff. After this, we're gonna go get it aligned. And you know, that's the process, man. That's the process. Stay tuned.
Yeah, we gotta make sure they mount and balance these tires correctly. Last time I was here, they forgot to balance these bad boys. So we're gonna make sure they get done today. Yes, sir. There she is, y'all. Look at that bad boy there. beefier tires, different rim, and it actually matches, so we're good. Oh man. All right, the next phase, guys, cam 2. You know what it is. Thanks, my man. That's my man right there. He always hook me up. Kenilworth tires, boy. She on there. We're not gonna use any more of that tire shine crap. We're gonna get some special tire shine that doesn't actually use oil, because as you know, it breaks down the tires. But yeah, there she is, man. Stay tuned, got more to come. You know what it is. Mo Dodge, Mo Mods. And we out this mother.